Using the ABS system starts by pairing your mobile device with the control module through a Bluetooth link. To do that, you'll take your 7-way and plug it into your tow vehicle and turn your engine on so that it's running. This will supply ample power to the control module during this connection process. After that, you'll want to make sure that you have your QR code or the device name and password handy for this linking process. With all of that information at hand, you'll take your mobile device, open up your OneControl app or app specific to your RV, and begin adding this information to your account. Once you have your OneControl app or app specific to your RV open, you can click the plus icon to open devices that are able to connect. We're going to pick safety systems, and you have a few options to pair to the control module. We'll begin with scan with camera, and once your camera is open, you'll go to your QR code and scan the label. If the scan is successful, it will automatically add your device and connect to the ABS system. If your scan fails, you can connect another way. And for this, you would have to type in an ID. The ID is the device's name. So here we have the LCIA BS _ BK5 R 482 J9 Z3. Our password is going to be the 8045405 If you need to peek at your password, click the I and it will show you. If you have all of your information typed in correctly, press connect. But if you back out, you can also search for devices, and you can find your device name in a list and make sure it matches the device name listed on your QR code label. You can click that and connect. When it asks for a PIN, it is looking for the password listed on that label. Here our password is 8044054, and then you click pair. After the system's connected, you can continue, and you will enter the information of your RV. You'll select the RV VIN, year, make, model, and floor plan. Once all of your information is typed into the app, you can click confirm. And now the RV details are typed in and you have your information from the control module. Pressing continue, you can see the safety system now listed on the home page of your OneControl app, and under that safety system is the anti-locking brake system. If you click into the anti-locking brake system, you have a few different things you'll see. You can see the mileage that has been recorded by the ABS, and you can also unpair from this device if you ever find yourself not needing to be connected anymore.